Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. Now today we're going to talk about sentences that have time in them. We have just made a few sentences and Nikki is going to read most of them, but I'll show you what she's reading, and then if she makes a mistake, we shall go through it. This is also your time to practice how to read and how to set the correct tone. So Luo has a lot of tonation, and we shall just move on from the beginning.
Abiro bet ka awer nyaka sa adek.
You say after me. Abiro bet ka awer nyaka sa adek. Abiro bet ka awer nyaka sa adek.
Abiro bet ka awer nyaka sa adek.
Good. So I'll be singing until 3 o'clock. Where is singing? Aware, I will be singing. Abiro bet, I'll be singing until 3 o'clock. Number 2.
Kin na ket nyathino e gari ma sariyo okinyi.
Kin naket nyathino e gari ma sa ariyo okinyi. Kiny naket nyathino e gari ma sa ariyo okinyi. Good.
You didn't say what it meant.
Oh, sorry. Now this means tomorrow I'll put that kid nyathino in the bus that leaves at 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's like someone is telling the other that there's a kid who's coming home. So they'll be put in the bus leaving at 8 o'clock in the morning. Thank you for the correction. The third one.
Mama ne otedo chiemo mamit sa achiel godhiambo.
Mama ne otedo chiemo mamit sa achiel godhiambo. Mama ne otedo chiemo mamit sa achiel godhiambo. Good. Oh, Mom cooked food, mamit. Sweet food. Is it sweet or what do you say about food? Tasty. Mom cooked tasty food at 7 o'clock in the evening. It's like dinner. Tasty, good, tasty. I'll remember that. You don't say sweet food. Okay.
Ndiga ne otuch na sa aboro odiochieng.
Ndiga ne otuchna sa aboro odiochieng. Ndiga ne otuchna sa aboro odiochieng. My bicycle got a puncture at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, the thing about Luo time, you might see this is sa aboro, but aboro is 8, even though in Luo sa aboro means 2 o'clock. So, I don't know why we do that. It's like the Swahili time. If you know Swahili time, when they say sa nne, no, Swahili sa nne is 10 o'clock. Yes, Swahili time, when they say 4 o'clock, they mean 10 o'clock, and 10 o'clock, they mean 4 o'clock, and vice versa. I don't know If you know about that, please just tell people at the comment section. No idea about time. Good, let's go.
En sa apar kod nyiriri piero ariyo gi ang'wen.
Again.
En sa apar kod nyiriri piero ariyo gi ang'wen.
En sa apar kod nyiriri piero ariyo gi ang'wen. En sa apar kod nyiriri piero ariyo gi ang'wen.
En sa apar kod nyiriri piero ariyo gi ang'wen.
Piero ariyo gi ang'wen. It's 4:24 p.m. That's what this says. It's 4:24 p.m. Number 5, number 6, whatever, number that.
En sa achiel gi nus.
En sa achiel gi nus.
En sa achiel gi nus.
So nus is taken from Swahili meaning half. And achiel is 1. So this is like, it's 7:30 a.m. Okay, because 1 is the equivalent of 7 in time. So en sa achiel gi nus, it's 7:30 a.m. Okay. Never mind.
Utimo ang'o oko kanyo godhiambo sani.
Utimo ang'o oko kanyo godhiambo sani. Again.
Utimo ang'o oko kanyo godhiambo sani.
Why did you start with that energy in the beginning? What are you doing out there at this time? And it's in the evening. Godhiambo is in the evening. What are you doing out there this evening? That would be a better translation. Nice energy.
Adwa dhi yweyo e pap ma ka onyango cha.
Yweyo. Again.
Adwa dhi yweyo e pap ma ka onyango cha.
Adwa dhi yweyo e pap ma ka onyango cha. So I'd like to go and relax at the park next to Onyango's place. Yweyo. Say yweyo. Yweyo. Yweyo is sweep. Yweyo is relax. Yweyo. Say yweyo. Sweep yweyo. Yweyo. Good. Number 3, number 5, number 18.
Nonyuole sa abi.
Let me check. Okay, move on. One more.
Nonyuole sa abich onyango ka koth ochwe.
Read it well. Nonyuole sa abich onyango ka koth chwe. Nonyuole sa abich onyango. Onyango. Ka koth chwe. Good. Wind up.
If you like this video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post. When you post, you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Wariti, goodbye.